Hello YouTubers, you found my life on the TARDIS channel. It's about my home, the sailing vessel TARDIS. So if you thought this was a Doctor Who fan site, well, it's not. Well, I am a fan. I did name my home after the TARDIS after all. But it stops there. Well, there is a reason I named my home after the TARDIS. But she doesn't travel through time and space. Well, she sort of does, but you'll have to see that in the posts. But she definitely isn't bigger on the inside. Well, she sort of seems that way sometimes. It's all wibbledy, wobbledy, timey-wimey stuff. But this is mostly just another sailing channel. It's a little different because I'm learning and don't do things quite like everyone else, and usually not for the same reasons. I'm just starting to post the TARDIS's story, and I'll post something at least every month, and I'll try and work my way up to every week once my editing skills get there. But I'm not a videographer, so what you see might be a little raw. But then again, what you see might be a little raw. I'll try to be as honest as I can make it. You can laugh at what I do wrong and learn from what I do that works. I'll be as in-depth as I can be, sometimes in ways that take unexpected turns. 2 years ago, life hit me with some things that were, well, life-changing. And the TARDIS was born, first as a need to survive, and then as a concept, then as a plan, and finally as a reality. The TARDIS is a 1983 catch, a Beneteau Evasion 37, 37-foot Escape TARDIS. It's all part of the story.